G'day everybody, my name's Andy Minnis and I'm the show promoter with my wife Donna. Show started back in 1964. A couple of old young blokes sort of got together and they started a show back in wool sheds and car parks, and it ran to about 2009, and it sort of lost its track which way it was going. So, you know, I thought, well, someone better get the show back on the road again, and my wife and I put our hands up and here we are. So 4 years later we've been running that show.
Into my dreams, wakes me into sweaty sheets, abandons me when nights died out. What can I do? What can I do?
I did just want one sort of car here, so we've got hot rods, customs, motorbikes, classics. We've got 50-odd traders, so it's becoming like a family event. We even got kids rides outside.